Hello ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about beard oils. Specifically this time we're going to talk about jojoba. It's a popular, yet often misunderstood ingredient in beard care products. Did you know it's not actually an oil? It's classified as a liquid wax. This unique property is what gives it the benefits that have made it a staple in beard oils for many years, but it's also the reason that some don't like it. You see, jojoba doesn't soak into the beard the way that other oils do, and so for some people it can leave the beard feeling a little bit oily, which is why it occasionally gets a bad rep. But this characteristic is what gives jojoba one of its greatest strengths, because jojoba oil mimics the natural sebum that our skin produces, which helps protect your beard and skin from dryness and the dreaded itch. You see, it sits on the beard hair, locking in moisture, giving the beard that natural healthy sheen without making it greasy. And here's where people complain. It's like, oh well, if it's coating the beard, it's preventing moisture from getting in. Well, yes, it does prevent some moisture getting in. One of the benefits is that throughout the day, it will gradually soak into the beard. So it gives you longer lasting benefits rather than just putting the beard oil on and then it soaks in within 5, 10, 15 minutes. This is going to last longer, even a few hours throughout the day. And if you're putting it on straight after your shower, say in the morning shower, then it's going to lock that moisture in that's there. Applying it while it's damp, it's going to help it stay hydrated for a longer period. So this is why people use it. It's packed with nutrients like vitamin E, antioxidants and fatty acids. These work together to reduce the beard itch, prevent flaky skin and nourish both the beard hair and your skin at the same time. And for those struggling with brittle or drier hair, jojoba is going to make it softer and easier to manage, promoting a well-groomed and polished look. In short, jojoba might not soak in, but that's part of the magic. It protects, nourishes and enhances your beard, making it a worthy addition to any grooming regime. Well, thank you from me and Flaky. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Really appreciate it. Toodles!